Okay, good morning student. Last lecture we learned about the introduction of environmental management and food chain. See, in this lecture we have to learn the ecosystem. See, what is ecosystem? Interaction between biotic and abiotic component for we are calling the ecosystem. Now we have to see the ecosystem is the interaction between the abiotic component and biotic component. See, this chart is very important. It is asking in your board examination. They are giving to the flow chart and we have to fill this one. See here, biotic, abiotic components is there and biotic component. This interaction between the biotic and abiotic components we are calling the ecosystem. Now we have to see the here abiotic is there. See, we have to write the here is a biotic components biotic components. Now we have to see the abiotic components. Abiotic components is divided into the two types. See, physical factor are already given. We have to write the next box for chemical factor. Okay, physical factor is the chemical. Abiotic components means interaction between the physical and chemical factors. See, we have to see the physical factors. Already is given air, water, vapor, mineral, soil, and H mu means sunlight. See, we have to write the here sunlight. Okay, sunlight you have to write here. Okay, next we have to go to the chemical factor. What is the chemical factor? It is a interaction between the physical and chemical factor for we are calling the abiotic factor. See, chemical factors is there. So it is a what do you call it? Nutrients. Okay. See here, nutrients again is dividing into the inorganic and organic substances. We have to write the here organic substances. Okay. Next, inorganic substances. Inorganic substances means here what H2, O2, N2. Next, calcium, ferrous, sodium, and potassium. Inorganic factors. See, organic factors. Organic substances. Organic substances means is a proteins is there, carbohydrate and fats. See, these are a organic substances. Next we have to see the here biotic components. Autotrophic is the producers. What producers? See, plants. Plants is the producers because plant preparing their own food. Auto means self, trophic means preparation. See, plants is preparing their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water through their roots, minerals. Also, it is a plants is a producers. See, plants is a autotrophic. Now we have to go to the abiotic component. Second one, it is a heterotrophic. Heterotrophic. See, heterotrophic is again dividing into the two types, animals and decomposers. Next we have to see the animals. What? Animals? Animals is a consumers. See, animals is a consumers. See, we have to write the here consumers. See, animals is a consumers because animals doesn't prepare their own food. Is it preparing? No. See, animals is a heterotrophs. See here, consumers again dividing into the, see, primary consumers, secondary consumers. See here, primary and secondary consumers. Study said primary consumers like a grasshopper, see, next frog, next snake. See, this like consumers is there. So it is a primary consumers is a here grasshopper, secondary consumers is a frog, and tertiary consumers is a snake. Next, what said? Next decomposers. What is decomposers? See, it is a decomposers. Main function is a decomposing of the waste material, plant, animal, waste material. Any substances, they are decomposing microbes. Okay, bacteria, fungi. See, this like so many microbes is a helping to the decomposing of the decomposers. See, have you understood? Okay, ecosystem is dividing into two types, biotic, abiotic components. Next, abiotic components is a physical factor and chemical factor. See, physical factor is a air, water, vapor and mineral, soil and sunlight. See, these are physical factors. Next, chemical factors. See, chemical factors is a nutrients. Okay, again this nutrients is divided into two types, inorganic substances and organic substances. Inorganic substances is a H2, O2, N2, calcium, ferrous, sodium and potassium. Organic substances is a what is proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Next we have to see the biotic components. Biotic components also two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophics is a producers and plants. Plants is a producing the food. Next, heterotrophics is a animals, decomposers. See, animals is a consuming the food substances and it is a depending on the another organisms. We have to see the grasshopper, primary consumers. Secondary consumers is a frog. Tertiary consumers is a snake. Okay. Next, decomposers, microbes, bacteria, fungi. See, this like decomposing of the material. Next, we have to learn the paddy cultivation. See, we have to fill carefully these boxes. It is a very important. See, this is flow chart. Now we have to learn about the paddy cultivation. What is paddy? Paddy cultivation. Okay. Paddy cultivation mostly in South Indian state. South Indian states. we have to see the South Indian states: Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. These states is a cultivation of the paddy. What will happen in the paddy? In the paddy, planting the paddy, and see this crop always is required the water. What will happen? So many insects like grasshopper is a living here. What will happen? The grasshopper is sucking the juices of plants. It is a proboscis is there. See, this like proboscis is a injecting inside and sucking the juices of plant. What will happen? Crop will be damaged. But here so many frogs also coming. So it is a grasshopper. Okay, so many frogs also coming. See this like frog. So many frogs is eating the grasshopper. What will happen? Grasshopper population is controlling. Grasshopper population will be suppressed by frog. Because of, if a frog is not present there, what will happen? Grasshopper population will be increasing. If a grasshopper population is increasing, what will happen? Yielding of paddy crop will be decreasing. See, production will be decreasing here. Now we have to see the here. Number of frogs is increasing, and here is a snakes also coming. Snakes is a feeding on the frog. It is a controlling the frog populations. Now we have to see the here. What's it? One organism controlling to the another organism. One organism is a suppress to another organisms. Means it is a controlling the say. That's why if a frogs is more is there, they are eating the grasshopper. Grasshopper population is controlling, and we are getting the good yielding. So it is a more production in our area. Next, what's it? Next, however, if frog population decline all of the sudden, what will happen? If a frog population is decreasing, what will happen? See, grass population will be increasing. If a frog population is a decline, what will happen? Grass population is increasing. If a grass population is increasing, they are damaging to our crop. Next, see this like same. Next here, so many questions also given in your book. What will be the effect of paddy crop? Paddy crop will be damaged. Next, what said? Number of which consumers will be decline and which will be increase. See, if a consumers is a decrease this one, what will happen? Frog will be, see, there is no food substances for frog. Next, what's it? What will be overall effect of the ecosystems? That's why our ecosystem should be balanced. All organisms is a required in our ecosystems. See this like paddy cultivation. Next, we have to see the relationship between the environment and ecosystem. What is the relationship is there in our ecosystem? We have to learn. Okay. Next, relationship between environment and ecosystem. Environment and our ecosystem and ecosystem. What relationship between is there? Relationship between the environment and ecosystem. Environment is a broad concept. What is environment? Is a environment is broad, so it is a concept. It is a broad concept is there. What is? See, physical, chemical components, biological factors affecting the living organisms in any possible way collectively called environment. See, which factors is there? Physical factor, chemical, so we have to write physical, chemical and biological factor. See here, interaction between the physical, chemical and biological factor. See, living organism in any possible way is called, collectively called environment. See, our environment. Next, what said? In short, environment in the conditions surrounding, and it includes the biotic and abiotic components. So, biotic and abiotic components. See here, abiotic and biotic components and natural, artificial factor. There are main types of environment. See, natural environment and artificial environment. See, artificial environment. So it is a two environment is there, natural environment and artificial environment. See, we have to learn the natural and artificial environment. What is natural environment? Naturally occurring, we are calling the natural environment. See, what said natural environment here? Natural environment consists of the air, atmosphere, water, land. Natural environment has a air, water, land and what say? See, it is a consist of the atmosphere, Next, see this slide. Natural environment is there: land, water, atmosphere, and land living, and continuous interaction occur between the biotic factors. See, continuously interacts between the abiotic factor, biotic factor, continuously, and living organisms continuous react. Living organisms continuously interact with biotic factors. Next we have to see the biotic and abiotic factors. Abiotic and we have to write the abiotic, biotic factors. See, this like is there. Next what said here, basically see their interaction very important. Artificial environment is affecting the natural environment directly or indirectly. Now we have to see the artificial environment. Artificial environment. See, artificial environment affecting the directly or indirectly to natural environment. Okay, see we have to learn artificial environment. What said artificial environment? Now we have to see the interaction between the biotic and abiotic factor. See, it is called the ecology, ecosystem. See, artificial environment. We are making the artificial environment nowadays. So many pollutions, floods, it is occurring because of natural artificial environment we are creating ourselves. See, it is also affecting on the natural environment. See, this is a, and it is a so many cycles is there. Water cycles is there, gaseous cycles is there, next carbon cycle is there, nitrogen cycle. See, it is a, these are a cycles you already learn in 9th standard. Okay,